Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can replace the camshaft sensor and the crankshaft sensor, which is at the back of the engine. It's really hard to see, but I will try to show you a video later on. Now at the front here is the camshaft sensor, so you can replace it with an aftermarket part. Now first remove the hose, the air filter hose out of the way, so this will allow you to have easy access to the crankshaft sensor at the back. It's you need to reach to the back with your right hand, and then it is positioned in between the two rightmost engine. So remove it and then place it on the side. This will make the job a lot easier. Okay, for this part here, it's very hard for you to show the videos of where the crankshaft sensor is, but I'll try my best. So you need to go all the way down there. There is a cable that you can follow, so there is a wire. Just follow the wire going downwards. So there it is. So that's the sensor, the crankshaft sensor sitting near the engines. There is a electrical wire going to that sensor. So there it is. So if you just keep watching, you can see it. It's right there, the black sensor, and it's hard to reach. But here is a view from the top of the engine looking down, so you can see where I shine the light. It's right there. So that's the black piece. So that's where it is. So you need to somehow reach your hand down there using your right hand only. It's easier with your right hand, and reach around the back of the engine to get to that sensor. So there it is. You can see that's the top of the engine looking downwards, in between the first two engines on the right hand side. Okay, here it is. So that's what it looks like when you pull out. Now there is a 10mm screws that you need to use the socket to take it out in order for you to remove it. After you have removed it, you can replace it with a new part. They are fairly cheap to get online or from your auto store. And putting the new part back into the socket, remember to lubricate around the seals a little bit, and that will make it easier for you to slip into the engine later on. Okay, so I'll apply a little bit of oil around the seal, and then we will proceed to put it back in. Now I can't really show you the video because it's really hard. There's no space to point the camera at, but just basically put back to where you pull it out. So just put your hand right in there, and then you need to push back into the hole. The next part is to replace the camshaft sensor. They are fairly easy to do. They are on the side of the engine right there, and all you have to do is just remove the screw and then pull it out. And once you pull it out, you can that's the original one there, so just replace it with a new part. There it is. We just get a bit of oil from the old one and apply it to the new one. You just apply it on the seal, make it easier to push it in later on. So there it is. So we just push it in, and then we secure with the screws. So underneath it there you can see there is a 10mm screws. So secure it with a range socket. So you would do that the same to the crankshaft at the back of the engine. Guess a little bit harder to do a video for that one. This one here is easy. It's right next to the engine, and then we can push it in. So there it is. That's the old sensor. So out come the old one, and in goes the new one. and there you can see the new one and the old one. And that's it. After that, you can try to start your car and see how you go. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.